Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the unit 5 of the section the electrical lighting and load management, the portion of this unit. In this unit we will discuss in detail about the lights, their definition first, the luminous intensity. The unit is candela, abbreviation is CD. Light emitting power from a lamp or light output from a standard candle. The 60-watt lamp is almost near about 70 CD. Luminous flux. The unit is lumen. Abbreviation is phi or LM. Generally, it is total light output in the area. Flux emitted within a unit solid angle of 1 steradian by a point source of light having uniform intensity of 1 CD equal to 1 lumen. If the source having 200 CD and total solid angle is 4 pi, then the lumens will be, so the lumens will be 800 pi or 2510 lumen. Illuminous level or illumination level, that is lux minus luminous flux upon unit area. Brightness B equal to CD upon meter square. The glare is excessive bright source of light into eye minus diffusing surface. Eye max sensitivity. The question, the answer is 550 nanometer. Now we start with the lights. Incandescent lamp. It is containing glass bulb, outer side cover, inside that the gas filling, a tungsten filament, the support wires for tungsten filaments, the main lead wires for the supply, then the Dumet wires inside the solid material, exhaust tube is also there, the stem, the fuse, the cap. The classification of the lamp is bayonet base and screw base. Both are here. If you go for the bayonet base, there are two pins, 180-degree angle, and the screw base is shown here, which is generally used for screwing system. At present, incandescent lamp found in every application, but despite the fact that it is least efficient technology for the conversion of electrical energy into the visible lights. It means the efficiency is very much less. By comparison with other light sources, incandescent lamp have the lowest luminous efficiency. However, during their 130 years of development, numerous changes in the design and materials have taken place to ensure that a gain in performance has occurred very few years up to the 1940s, when all further technical development for general lighting lamps effectively ceased. The patent of light bulb by Thomas Edison in 27th January 1880 registered. This is the basic things. If you go for the energy distribution and assume there a input power of 100%, then non-radiative losses are 18%. Radiation is 82%. Visible radiation is only 10%. And infrared radiation is 72%. This is overall energy distribution of incandescent lamp. If you go for the comparison with this visible radiation of 10% of this lamp with halogen lamp, for the same wattage of halogen, the percentage initial lumen is less. Thank you very much today for this topic.